Reviews best motorcycles with LED lights. Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of street fighter motorcycles, and we have a real gem to showcase, the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. This powerful and versatile machine has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory is a high-performance street fighter derived from the RS V4 superbike. It's powered by a 1,100 cubic centimeters V4 engine that delivers a thrilling and exhilarating riding experience. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Tuono V4 1100 factory is its advanced LED lighting system. This provides exceptional visibility in low-light conditions, making it safer to ride at night or in foggy conditions. In terms of performance, the Tuono V4 1100 factory offers a thrilling riding experience. Its engine delivers a punchy performance, making it easy to accelerate quickly and overtake other vehicles. The bike's handling is sharp and precise, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and balanced chassis. Design and aesthetics. The Tuono V4 1100 factory has a muscular and aggressive design that is sure to turn heads. Its sharp lines, exposed frame, and large air intakes give it a raw and unadorned appeal. Target audience and relevance. The Tuono V4 1100 factory is ideal for riders who are looking for a powerful and stylish street fighter. Its aggressive design and powerful engine make it a great choice for those who want to stand out from the crowd and experience the thrill of a high-performance motorcycle. Comparison to other street fighters. When compared to other popular street fighters, the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory stands out for its advanced technology and premium features. Its LED lighting system, advanced electronics, and comfortable ergonomics make it a top choice for discerning riders. Expert reviews. The Tuono V4 1100 factory has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, sharp handling, and aggressive design. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Tuono V4 1100 factory is a fantastic choice for riders who want a powerful and exciting street fighter. It's fast, agile, and a lot of fun to ride." Conclusion. The Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory is a well-rounded street fighter that offers a great combination of performance, style, and technology. Its advanced LED lighting system, powerful engine, and aggressive design make it a perfect choice for riders who want to experience the thrill of a high-performance motorcycle. So, if you're looking for a powerful and stylish street fighter, the Tuono V4 1100 factory is definitely worth considering.